What is up, everyone? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are feeling good, feeling great. I'm in a really good mood. The last 2 days I've been working on a video project that I've wanted to do for probably about a month by now. I came up with this really cool idea and it's something I'm very excited about, and I've just been working on it day by day. It's definitely more than a one-day vlog. So I'm just checking in with you guys really quick today for two reasons. Reason number one is the World Cup starts tomorrow and I am absolutely, I love the World Cup. The last two World Cups, I've watched every single World Cup game. I've watched most of them live. Some of them I've had to watch recorded, but I've watched every single World Cup game start to finish and I love it. It's something bigger than sports. Even if you're not a soccer fan, you have to love the World Cup. At least that's what I thought, because I don't think any of my friends are excited as I am about the World Cup. Ben, are you excited for the World Cup?
Yeah.
The first game tomorrow is Russia and Saudi Arabia, which isn't gonna be that good or that exciting, but just it's something that's bigger than sports. It's the entire world coming together to watch one event. And the second thing that I wanted to talk to you about today is I just got a message saying I got a package dropped off at my dad's house, and I think it's a pair of shoes. So I figured, you know what, even though I'm busy on working on another project today, I'm gonna take a little bit of time to talk to you guys and show you a dope pair of shoes. Here are the shoes. Here is all my sneakers I still need to sell. I just find it mind-boggling that I used to have all of these sitting in my room, just piling up in that sneaker room. Like, you guys remember the sneaker room, right? Puma, keep on sending out these 50th anniversary shoes. I really appreciate it. Puma Suede, a street legend, established 1968, reimagined in 2016. So let's see what we got here. Tom. The Suede is turning 50. It was a good time, it was a good stage in the channel, but just too many pairs of shoes, and I'm really enjoying selling them, getting some money for them. It just feels good to clear stuff out, get some money for it too. Even if I was just giving them away, it would probably feel good, but I'd rather have the money for it. Anyway, that sneaker room was packed. I want to show you what it looks like now. Looks a little bit emptier, huh? Ironing board, paper mache chicken, posters, and my desk, and that's pretty much it. Speaking of the sneakers though, very excited to get these. I had a cool concept of something I wanted to do with this. This is a pair of shoes that I've actually owned in the past and sold, and that's the only downside of selling some of my sneakers, is I don't really regret selling them, but then lots of times I'm like, oh, I wish I still had that so I could wear with this, or so I could do this with them. And then I end up buying them again, but it's all good. I did pay a little bit more than retail for these, but I think that is great because these are a European exclusive pair of sneakers right here that I got for $25 over. It was a good price. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but it was, ow, oh, ah, oh my goodness. There's something sharp at the bottom of the box and it went like in between my skin and my fingernail. Oh my, ow. All right, moving on from that, let's take a look at this freaking pair of sneakers. It is indeed, yeah, it's a pair of Jordan 1s. I know, it's a pair of Jordan 1s, but this is a great pair of Jordan 1s. This is a beautiful pair of Jordan 1s. This is a freaking sexy pair of Jordan 1s. Wow, these things look so nice. It is the K54, Quai 54, Q54 Jordan 1. So the crazy part about these is that it's reversed. The other shoe, everywhere you see blue, is red, or everywhere you see red is blue. It's completely reversed. Everywhere you see blue is red. So this on the other shoe, I believe, is, yes, it is red, and they're completely inverse of each other with this crazy quality black nubuck. If you have the Travis Scott Jordan 4s, very similar quality to these. This colorway is so freaking nice, and they released in Canada. It was a pretty easy shoe to get in Canada, but Canada, as far as Nike's concerned, is considered Europe. And I don't really understand how that makes sense. Basically, the deal with this pair of shoes, if you guys didn't know the inspiration behind it, is that K54 is a huge basketball tournament that happens in Paris, France every single summer, and Jordan Brand is heavily partnered with it, and they always do special shoes. There's K54 5s, K54 13s. Last year there was the K54 1s. And besides the original 5s, the white and green ones that everyone knows and loves and go for hundreds of dollars, I think this has to be my favorite iteration of a K54 sneaker. Just the whole reversed concept, and they're on a Jordan 1. You can't get any better than that. So the reason I wanted to buy these is, as I was saying before, I did used to have this pair of shoes, and it's something I really liked in my collection. I let it go because they were going for really high prices. What's up, Ben?
Hello.
How you doing?
Doing very good, you?
I'm doing good. It was just a shoe I really wanted to add back into the collection. Picked them up dead stock, just laced them up, and they look very, very nice. The quality of suede on these is so good. The leather quality, I'll be completely honest, is not that great, but like, come on, tell me you don't love that. That is so cool. It's just, it's like reminds me of Star Wars lightsabers or something. It's black, it's red. What are you doing? Speaking of European exclusive Jordan releases that I really want to get, those yellow ones, the yellow ochre or the poker themed ones that they were doing, you guys know what I'm talking about. Those are something that I really want to get. The red ones is something I consider getting, but between the Chicago ones, the black toe ones, the bread toe ones, and the bread ones, and the white and metallic red ones for that matter, I have a lot of white, black, and red Jordan 1s. I don't think I need those. Those yellow ones though, there's nothing like those. Like there's nothing like those in the Jordan 1 rotation, and I think I really need to scoop up a pair of those. They're going for a lot of money right now though, so if you guys have a good deal in a size 12, hit your boy up, maybe we can work something out. This pair though, as I said, $20, $25 over retail, something like that. I do not think you can complain. I really want to break these out and wear them as soon as possible. These would look sick with a pair of black jeans. Just keep the fit simple and just have that red and that blue pop. I think that would look really, really nice. Just wanted to check in with you guys really quick and share these with you because I think this is a sick, sick pickup, and I'm really happy that I was able to grab these again. Hi Ben.
Hey Tom.
What do you think of them?
Air Jordan 1 Retro. Black Italy blue.
Italy blue, that's a good shade.
Yes, Italy blue. Oh, these. Yeah. They were right. I saw them in the UK when they came out. I had some guy wearing them. They're pretty cool. Still haven't owned a pair of Jordan 1s in my life though.
You've never owned, what? You've never owned Jordan 1s?
Nope.
Get out of my apartment.
You didn't even have an Air Force 1.
Get out of my apartment.
That's Air Force 1's worse.
Get out of my apartment, Benjamin Masters.
Disgusting behavior.
He's never owned a pair of Jordan
never owned
1s.
an
What
Air
the
Force
heck?
One.
I don't care if I've never owned Jordan 1s are
Air
so
Force
much
One.
more quintessential than Air Force 1s.
Air Force 1, everyone's owned a pair in life. Guarantee it.
He's never owned a pair
Air
of
Jordan 1.
1. Ben, do you think we should give them a little sneak peek of what we've been working on this week?
Hell yeah.
I don't know. Maybe we should just wait and show them the entire video.
When the morning